Okay guys, it's a quick YouTube video here. I just bought my SMD DD-1HV and love all the products that come out of DMR engineering, and this video is not meant as a bash or indictment against either Steve Meade or Tony Diamore or Juan from DMR engineering. Just an anomaly that I'm observing, and I'm looking for some clarification as to whether or not this is normal behavior for the SMD DD-1HV or not, or how it's to be used. So you can post your comments, or you can record a response video to this one and let me know what you think, what your comments are, and so on. So let's look at our current setup here. So I've got my laptop, and as you can see, track 4 is playing, and that is the track that I've used to calibrate or configure the gain for the amplifier, which is this little guy right here. This is my crossover, and this little rig that you see here is the signal that I split off from the output of just one channel from this little guy here, the amplifier. Both channels are working fine, but I only wanted to use just one for this demonstration. Alright, so this is our setup. Also, we should make sure that, as is instructed, the units are connected to a common ground. This is the case right here. Okay, that's your negative or ground. Alright, so now I have both units on. Now let me show you what happens very quickly. Now, the amplifier was calibrated in terms of the gain setting using the DD1 on your left. But look what happens with the SMD DD-1HV. Now I'm turning up the signal. See that? Notice the DD1 picked up the signal before the SMD DD-1HV. Let's do it again. One more time. Here you go. 1 kilohertz. Then the HV. Now look at the distortion. Look, let's see which one picks up the distortion before. See that? Back it off. See that? The DD1 has picked up the distortion. The HV has yet to pick it up. That's a problem. At least to me it is. So if anybody out there has a similar issue, let me know. I have emailed Tony from DMR Engineering last night. I'm still waiting for a response from him. So post your comments and let me know what you think. I'm hoping that either Steve or Tony will see this, because they need to know what's going on. Alright, so let me show you what happens when we push the HV unit to the distortion point. That's what happens. Let's do it one more time. Both units, 1 kilohertz detected. DD1 is first to pick up the distortion. HV not picking it up until I push it a little higher. Alright guys, thanks, and let me know what you guys think, if you're having the same problem as I am. I don't really know if this is a defect or maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm open and welcome for your suggestions. Thanks guys.